let us consider this algebraic equation. Now we want to find the result of 2 minus 6 into bracket 2 minus 6. Now, we say that 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Now, between this 6 and this parentheses, that is this simple bracket, there is a multiplication. Then another 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. So that will give us what? Minus times minus is plus. Plus 4 times 4 is 16. That answer is wrong. So now to get the correct answer, we are going to apply PEMDAS. We are going to apply PEMDAS. What is the meaning of PEMDAS? PEMDAS means parentheses, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Again, parentheses or parenthesize, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now, this parenthesis simply means the bracket. Fine. So that means we're going to start with the bracket. We now go to the exponential. We go to multiplication. But note, multiplication and division have the same priority. And you always take it from the left to the right. Good. Now, let's look at the very first item, which is parenthesis. Parenthesis here is 2 minus 6. So we're going to have what? Minus 6. Let's assume that is minus 6. Now, this one here, we have between this 6 and this bracket, we have what? Multiplication. So that means we can now write as 2 minus 6 times minus 4. So 2 minus 6 times minus 4. Since we have, after parentheses, we have exponential, and there's no exponential here, so the next item in this acronym is multiplication. So that means we're going to start from the left, multiplication. So starting from the left now, we are multiplying 6 by minus 4. 6 times minus 4 will be what? Minus 24. You can put that in brackets and now have what? 2 minus, this minus sign here, 2 minus 24. Now, we have 2, multiplying minus by minus here is plus. 2 plus 24, the answer is 26. So the correct answer in this problem is 26, not 16. Bye.